is a new role. Not every school have one. I will write 4 stories about 4 technologists. Right? So you can explain it to me.
Do you have any questions?
Well, I think the first thing is actually it's kind of like enjoyable, and I can't quite understand it first. And especially so it's all about some tools to tackle it. It's about creating some effective tools to help the special.
I think maybe let me try to explain this through using English language.
Okay.
I study special people. People, right? People.
I know.
These people are called pedagogical technologists. These are people.
You mean the special is just not mentally special?
I study unique people.
Unique? I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Maybe I should change this. I study maybe certain people in schools. I study people in schools. The name of these people are pedagogical technologists. So these are people.
I know.
And these people are not teachers. These people are not technicians.
Okay.
These people influence how a school works with and through technology, how a school uses technology. These people are new. This job is new. I'm right, not every school has one of these people.
Okay.
I'm going to write 4 stories about 4 of these people. What are your comments and questions?
So what's the use of the study? I mean, because your study just to focus on some new and a small group of people of the society, right? So now I want to figure out the use of this study.
One, because these people are new, we actually don't know much about them. 2, one of my objectives is to develop success criteria for these people. So by writing 4 stories, we can, from analyzing these stories and comparing them, develop an understanding of what makes these people successful in their schools. Because right now, the literature doesn't have anything about these people because they're new. And we can also develop a theory to explain, based on 4 technologists, what these people do to influence how a school uses technology.
Okay. Another question. Why 4? Why 4? I don't know.
Okay. 4 is a purposeful convenience sample. In Hong Kong, I have access to 4 people. And 4 people is enough in my sample to generate some theory about what pedagogical technologists can do and what can make them successful in schools.
Yes, I know 4 is simpler, but the sample, the sample is limited. How to make this more accurate and convincing?
I think we have a differentiation. Right? There's a difference between statistical statistical generalization and analytical generalization. So, for example, statistical generalization is used often in hard sciences, where you try to make a generalization about a population or a universe. But
to extract something.
Statistical generalization is trying to create a point and apply to everyone.
Yes, it's true.
Okay, that's what population or universe. Analytical generalization requires, well, it can use a much smaller sample because this is just supporting a theory. For example, in hard science, like gravity. You can consider each one of these stories to be a separate experiment to support this idea of what a pedagogical technologist can do. See, I'm not making a statistical generalization. I'm not saying all pedagogical technologists do this. That's statistical generalization, isn't it? What do you study, by the way? What is your field? What do you study?
I study for the integrated circuit.
You study circuits.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm not sure whether you do statistical generalization, analytical generalization, but I'm using 4, and I know I can't say every pedagogical technologist in the world is like this, but I can say pedagogical technologists can be like this. Okay, so that's analytical generalization. Okay.
So it's my turn.
Sure.
Sorry. You have to read it. Oh, there must be some mistake.